My name's Paul Drew and I'm Chief Operating Officer of the Lighthouse Federation. We're a federation of primary schools that are based in Walsall in the West Midlands, and we're made up of 9 schools. The reason we upgraded to the Premier Success Customer Plan is because actually as a new trust, we're an established federation, but as a new trust we wanted to know that we'd got the support of a really strong team in Access in their history in actually supporting trusts. We wanted to buy into that package so that actually any problems we'd got we knew could get resolved, and we've got a designated customer service support team that can support us here at Central Team, because it's we're learning new things with the Access program. We're learning new operations with our own payroll and with our finances, etc. So buying that enhanced Premier package has just been a real benefit to us. And as a group of schools and as a group of business managers and Central Team, we knew from the outset that's the package that we wanted, because that's the package that would give us the most support operationally and strategically moving forward. So another benefit of having the Premier package is our one point of contact that we've got, who actually has become part of the team. Our Central Team, they're like an adopted member of our Central Team, because any issues that we've got, we go direct there and they get resolved. But they also actually feed things into our Central Team that other trusts are doing, saying, have you thought about doing this, or this is a trust that I currently work with them and they're doing this. So it's a second set of eyes outside in the big world, looking at other trusts for us as well, and giving us advice and support, as well as supporting us on a daily / weekly basis using the package and how the package supports our schools. So for us as a Central Team, our central point of contact is like another member of our team, to the point of one of my members of staff said actually they can come to our Christmas party because we feel like that they work in our office, they're part of our team, even though it's all done remotely.